Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In a previous video I mentioned that I was creating a 3D gimbal and we're almost done. This is still a work in progress, but this is our essentially Mark 1. We're going to have a base right here. We're going to add another piece of square tubing which we could elevate, and then we're going to tighten it and loosen it via a screw, so the camera could be farther out, and then camera could also be closer in, camera could be higher up. We're going to go ahead and fix that, and then we're going to add a background to this area, and the background is essentially going to be a white board of some sort that is going to provide for a much cleaner image of the actual item of focus, but it's currently stuck in a vice grip. We're going to add a base to it so it can stand on its own, and then it'll 3D image like this. Anything you place on this base plate right here, it'll go ahead and image, and you could go with really large stuff if you extend the arm right here and extend that arm out that way as well. So tell me what you guys think about it. It was quite tough welding the ball bearing because it was causing a limit in range of motion, and it was the flux weld was kind of getting in there and making it difficult to move, but we got it lubricated again and it's moving pretty clearly now. So tell me what you think in the comment section below.